tornado sirens have turned on. Those are there to tell me to come outside because it's a beautiful day out, pretty much. Oh my God, that's quite scary. Look, there's one like coming towards us. Whoa, the lightning won't stop.
Do you see a funnel cloud?
It looks really like, kind of like foggy.
It's too gray.
Did you see it just go green? Okay, the power's flashing on and off at the moment, but there is good news. The emergency warning things on TV stopped. But the bad news is that it's because the cable went out. And also the tornado's coming. Okay, oh my God. The tornado is picking up. The whole window's like vibrating and it's extremely foggy and I can't see anything. I'm in the basement now.
4 a.m.
It is a very scary situation out there. What are your feelings on the tornado? I have to interview you. What if we die? Like,
Well, no one's seen that footage then. Remember, I don't use this thing.
Beyonce always makes tornado warnings better. Pepper, what do you feel about the tornado? Are you scared? Pepper, can I get a quick word? Are you scared? I think you are. There's not enough light to focus. Wow, that sounded like a tree falling down. Oh!
Pepper's okay though, that's funny. Pepper, you a baby? You're a big baby. You're scared of noises. I'm glad. Yeah.
We're playing chess.
None. I'm gonna get checkmate in 3 moves.
What are you doing? Put the dumb thing down and practice your moves.
Nah, fine.
Turn the light off.
Would you like to see?
I could turn the light off.
He could see his fine. Yours are the hard ones.
Yeah, you shouldn't have picked black.
I didn't. It chose me.
Turn your light
She
off.
chose Kaka Brown.
Rocco.
Hey, Matt, am I totally awesome at chess?
Oh, come on, you're like blasting the other.
Am I?
Frank, get that light off. Come on, what'd I say?
Say yes.
Sure.
After your peace, boy. How long did the whole tornado thing last?
I don't know.
Can you say Veronica owns you?
How about get a job and move out and buy your own food? There you go.